Mr. Polis.
Thank you, Madam Secretary. A lot of Coloradans in my district and across my state still don't know how Obamacare can help them. It's of particular concern among our many residents who don't speak English. In Colorado, our state officials, the health exchange, the nonprofit organizations, advocacy groups are all channeling their efforts into public awareness campaigns focusing on one-on-one conversations with non-English speakers. We're also doing outreach to English and non-English speakers in the Latino community through media personalities, nurses, doctors, friends, and family, and running TV, radio, and print ads in Spanish. My question is a similar effort underway at the federal level? And what actions have you and the department taken to ensure that non-English speakers in Colorado and across the country are aware of and can access the new services available to them?
Well, it's a great question, and it isn't, as you know, just Spanish language, but there are multiple languages spoken across this great diverse country. So we are taking that very seriously. We have put together an operation where a call center will open, I think, later this month, and questions will be able to be answered in 150 languages out of that call center. Materials on our website are automatically available in both English and Spanish, because Spanish is the most frequently spoken other language here in the United States. So everything that we're doing will always be available in English and Spanish, but we're trying also to be very sensitive to the diversity of languages and have, I'm hopeful that when we get the proposals back for navigators who will be on the ground, helpers in communities, that many of those will come out of community groups with cultural sensitivity and language skills to reach into some of our more vulnerable populations. We're also putting in-person assistance in the community health centers across this country, many of whom have personnel who speak multiple languages and come out of the neighborhood. So we're looking at all the kind of levers that we have.
Thank you. We will look forward to our state coordinating with your efforts and helping to publicize your multilingual call center, and I applaud you for those efforts. We don't have much more time. I just want to applaud your efforts on early childhood education. I recently introduced the Continuum of Learning Act to align early childhood education and elementary school standards, and I would encourage you to continue to work in early childhood with the areas under your jurisdiction, with the areas under the jurisdiction of Secretary Duncan and school districts and states to make sure we have a coordinated approach to early childhood education. And with that, I'll be happy to yield back.